Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Editorial Drill, and today's editorial we have chosen from Business Standard titled as Jane Street is a Wake Up Call. It has been authored by Mr. KP Krishnan and has been published on 18th of July. In this editorial, the author basically discusses regarding this Jane Street case under which the SEBI has taken legal proceedings against Jane Street for violating fair market conduct. Then, in the initial part of this editorial, the author is talking about the thin line that is there between the arbitrage and market violations. And after this, if you will read this editorial, you will see that the author has used this case as a springboard to examine more serious and systemic issues that are there in the Indian financial ecosystem. So, if you will read this editorial, you will find different kinds of issues that have been discussed, for example, related to reduced market liquidity, then regarding market fragmentation and structural distortions, then regarding lack of transparency with respect to SEBI rule making practices, and also the legal incoherence that is there in the Indian financial ecosystem. Then it has given a beautiful way forward. So if you will read the editorial, you will find that different points have been provided. For example, we need to bring the reform regarding rewriting SEBI prohibition of fraudulent and unfair trade practices, then building internal manuals for FUTP investigations. We need to train SEBI staff on manual implementation to foster evidentiary discipline and analytical precision. Then it provides a ending conclusion that this Jane Street case is not an end. It just serves as a mere diagnostic indicator to draw our attention with respect to the more profound and enduring challenges that are there in the Indian financial system. So all these points have been mentioned. I would suggest you to read this editorial. It will give you a better understanding regarding the issues that are prevalent in the Indian financial system. I hope it is pretty much clear to you. You can let me know in the comment box whether it was helpful for you or not. So thank you so much and all the best.